Welcome to Jianglin Group. Jianglin Group has developed into a diversified group company. With 20 years development, Jianglin Group has 3 production center: Carbon Steel Group, Eco Aluminum. In recent 5 years, Jianglin with metal experience has purchased Jianglin Steel Corporation and stepped into stainless steel industry. The main products include stainless steel coil, sheet and plate, precision strip, pipe and form products.
Okay, for stainless steel material, which company do you suggest for them?
Yes. Because this company and the person of this company helped me a lot, help me without any interest, without anything, without any demand.
Okay.
They help only because of that to save the business relation of the two countries.
Yes.
The business of the people who are working from Pakistan and they are demanding the orders from the China and the producers of the China that they are sending their material and selling to the Pakistan market.
Yeah.
So we save. I think we should save the both countries' interest.
Yes.
As a Jianglin manager, I have few things to talk with you. Even though you have been cheated by some Chinese supplier and factory, they claim they are factories, but they are the cheaters. They give you short material. However, not all the Chinese businessmen is doing like this. You can, their behavior is a humiliation for all of our Chinese suppliers and our factories. We represent China. We want to change the image, the bad image. Result from this kind of things. So hope in the future we can have more and more collaboration. Hope our Jianglin Group will give you the best service and the best price, and there's no more cheat. If anyone got cheat, they need our help, we are be ready to help. Whatever, they don't need to pay us, don't need to say thank you, because we think with the boundaries we are building stronger and stronger. Both parties will get a win-win situation. Okay.
The way you work out here and you investigate the things, I really appreciate.
Thank you.
And Jianglin and the lane also. That is really impressive, because you just reach me there where I think it is impossible for me. But you make it possible.
We are brothers.
Yeah, of course.
China, Pakistan brothers.
Yes, of course. China, Pakistan friendship.
Should be a great feeling. Lin, you have anything to talk with?
Yeah, of course. Say your comments.
Yeah. Say something.
China, Pakistan.
China, Pakistan.
Okay. This is really a nice trip. Even though 3 days together, we just like brothers.
I want to say one thing more. That when I come here, I was alone. But the love you give me, the support you give me, you walk with me on very, very difficult stages come, then I think I have more brothers here.
Sure, of course.
This is the main that I'm not alone here.
Okay.
Yes. I really appreciate, and I'm feeling that I'm in my home. I'm not feeling
great.
that I'm somewhere else.
Okay, you can always trust.
I want all businessmen in Pakistan, they should feel this.